A third wave of the coronavirus pandemic has begun to take hold across the country. Indonesia is bracing for a third wave of COVID-19 infections as the highly transmissible Omicron variant drives a surge in new cases, said health authorities and experts on Saturday. Pandu Riono, an Indonesian epidemiologist and academic advisor to the government, said Indonesians are still traumatized by the Delta variant when many died at isolation at home or while waiting to receive emergency care as hospitals were swamped. Riono said that the third wave would be unlikely to push Indonesia's healthcare system to brink because Omicron generally causes less severe symptoms than Delta. While studies have shown that Omicron is less virulent than its predecessors, experts have warned that the high transmissibility of the variant could lead to a spike in cases that could disastrously overwhelm the healthcare system. Along with the rise of the COVID-19 cases in Indonesia, prevention is the key. Accordingly, vaccination is one of the essential prevention of COVID-19 transmission. The number of recipients of the first dose of vaccine recorded today is 440,655 people. With this addition, the number of recipients of the first dose of vaccination has now become 185,121,652 people. The total of vaccination for the third dose today reached 289,918 people. The government plans vaccinated 208,265,720 people. The Indonesian Ministry of Health through the dashboard pushed the first dose of vaccine of COVID-19 has been given to 88.89% of the total target population, while residents who have completed the second dose of vaccination covering 61.77% of the total target, whereas for the third dose of vaccination reached 2.17%. The government raised the PPKM Level 3 status for Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, Bekasi, as known as Jabodetabek areas, likewise Greater Bandung, Yogyakarta Special Region, Banten to Bali. Coordinating Minister for the Maritime Affairs and Investment, Luhut Binsar Panjaitan, revealed that this policy was taken Coordinating Minister for Maritime Affairs and Investment, Luhut Binsar Panjaitan, revealed that this policy was taken after seeing a spike in cases, especially in the Omicron variant that occurred in the last few days. Nadia, as the spokesperson of COVID-19 vaccination, at the same time invited the public to quickly access two-dose vaccinations up to a follow-up or a booster dose to provide additional protection amid the threat of transmission of the Omicron variant. Keep wearing masks, keep your distance, wash your hands with soap, avoid crowds, and reduce mobility Keep wearing masks, keep your distance, wash your hands with soap, avoid crowds, and reduce mobility in daily life practice to provide optimal protection, she said.